So, we are going to talk storytelling essentials, how to write compelling backstory. And because you really can't talk about backstory without talking about characters, they are inextricably linked. We're going to touch on both of those things a lot during this session. So, as Jeannie said, I'm Isabel Sterling. These are all of my books. I am a master certified life coach, a traditionally published author. So, for this workshop today, I'm coming to you both as an author who does a lot of work with backstory stuff and as a coach. So, I'll tell you very briefly about my philosophy as a coach and how it pertains to what we're going to talk about today. So, I believe that what we do as storytellers matters deeply to the world, and our abilities as writers are infinite. So, as long as we are willing to grow and to learn and to look deeply into story, we will keep getting better. So, let's dive into the agenda. So, here is what we're going to cover: some basics of backstory, how to set a solid foundation with your characters to know where do you need to actually dig for backstory. We're going to spend some time on understanding why the question why is your best friend as an author, how to create that relevant backstory, figure out what needs to happen, and actually very specifically what did happen in their backstory. And then I've got some very specific examples. We're going to talk about how to get the backstory on the page in a way that feels compelling and isn't just an info dump of